Tell me. Subtraction of 7 from y. What will be the answer?
It will be y minus z.
Very good. Y minus z. Next, 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. First, you need to check about the sum of numbers.
It's fraction, right?
Okay, I will tell. Sum of the numbers x and y means sum x plus y. 1/2 means 1 by 2. Off is the term. So, two terms are there. Okay, so half bracket x plus y. This will be the answer. Or you can write like x plus y divided by 2. So, meaning is that 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. Clear?
Yes.
Next, the number z multiplied by itself.
Is it multiplied by z?
Correct. Z multiplied by Z. So that is how many times we are multiplying Z? 2 times. So we can tell like Z squared. Okay, you didn't study the square. Okay, so this is the meaning. Z into Z means Z squared. Like that it comes. Okay, if you are multiplying Z into Z, then it is called Z cube. 4 times if you are multiplying Z raised to 4. Like that it will go. Clear?
Yes.
Next, 1/4 of the product of numbers P and Q. 1/4 of the product of numbers P and Q.
1 by 4
Okay.
into
Correct.
multiplied by p into
P into Q. P into Q, that class I told, if the two variables we are multiplying, so we can write it together. PQ like that we can write. So PQ into 1 by 4. Okay, so you can write like 1 by 4 PQ. Okay. Next, fifth one. Numbers x and y both squared and added.
I think we have to multiply 4 times.
No, both square. Square means this, I told you, this is called a squared. Okay. This is a very new term for you. Na? So x and y both squared means x squared. This is called x squared. And y also squared. Okay. And what is happening between them? We are adding it. So x squared plus y squared. This is the meaning. Numbers x and y both squared and added. Clear?
Yes.
What is squared? If you know that. Okay, next. So sixth one.
5 plus mq.
MQ.
M no.
Number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n.
M plus bracket m into n. Is it like that?
No. Here 3 times means 3 multiplied by. Product of numbers m and n means m n. M into n. Okay. 3 times means 3. Okay. So 3 mn. So 5 plus 3 mn. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Then seventh one. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10.
10 minus
From 10 means after from what is coming, that will come first. So 10 minus is correct.
y into x, yx. I mean
Z,
yz.
Z. Correct. 10 minus product of numbers y and z means yz. So 10 minus yz. Okay.
Yes.
Next. Sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product.
A plus b I think it's a plus b.
Sum of numbers a and b means you are right, a plus b, correct. But they told subtracted from their product. So what is the product? There means here the there means a and b. So product of a and b is what?
ab.
A. So from that you need to subtract the sum means first the product will come, correct? AB minus sum of numbers a and b is what? A plus b.
A plus b.
Okay, so AB minus A plus B. Okay, actually this chapter we are studying is algebraic expressions. Okay, write it, the heading also. Algebraic expression is the chapter. Now we have done the question using the variable constant and arithmetic operations. We need to make algebraic expression for each statement. This is what we have done now. Okay, take a screenshot. Next is we are going to identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. This is what we are going to do. Show the terms and factor by tree diagram. We are going to study one diagram, tree diagram. So x minus 3. Okay. So x minus 3. 1 minute. Let me off the notification. Okay, x minus 3. So this is x one factor, okay? Because how the x minus 3 is formed? By the subtracting x and 3, x minus 3 is formed. So x and minus 3. Now x is x minus 3 have two factors, x and minus 3, and this is how it is formed, right? Okay, so these are the two terms in this particular algebraic expression. Understood? And what are the factors of x? X only. What are the factors of 3? Minus 3 only. Okay? So that is 1 into x, 1 into minus 3. But 1 means no need to write separately. So these are the factor is x and minus 3. That's it. Finished. So the question is show the terms. So what are the terms we have? The terms are x and minus 3. Okay. And the factors for this term x is x only. Here also minus 3 only. Okay. Now, here in the next question, see, I will take another question. So you will understand why I am telling about the factors. If it is 5xy squared plus 7x squared y. Okay. So here I have two terms again. So one is 5xy squared and 7x squared y. Okay, now two terms. Okay, so how I am determining as two terms? I already told you in the last class, by separating with addition, subtraction, I will get different terms. And for the multiplication, if I am doing multiplication, it will be considered as multiplication or division means it will be considered as one term I told. So 5 into x into y squared is one term. 7 into x squared y, one term. Understood? Now, what are the factors or what are the factors of 5xy squared? 5, one factor. X, another factor. Then I have y. So, how y squared is formed? By multiplying y into y. So, what are the factors? 5, x, y and y. Here, what are the factors for this particular term? We have two terms. For one term, we have done. For the another term, 7, x, again x, then y. So, x into x, x squared, y. Clear? That's it. Finished. So, these are called factors and these are called the two terms. So, how many terms are there in this expression? Two terms. Tell now. Any doubt?
No.
Copy these. Okay, so this is called factor tree. Okay, so here also 3 by, this is the term. Okay, the term is 3 by, sorry, expression is 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. So how many terms we have? The terms are 3, okay, comma, x, comma, 1 by 4. Okay, the terms are 3 by 4x, okay, and 1 by 4. Okay, and the factors are 3, 1 by 4, x. And here the factor is 1 by 4. Okay, understood. So this is how it comes. Next, 0.1 p squared plus 0.2 q squared. What are the terms? 0.1 p squared. What are the factors? We can write 0.1, okay, comma p comma p, okay, or you can write 1 into 1 by 10, that like that also you can write. Then here next term is 0.2 q squared. So what are the terms? We have 2 into 0.1. So 2 into 0.1 is 0.2. So we are writing 2 and 0.1 q comma q. Clear? So terms and factors you need to know.
Okay.